Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best computer tables is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked investments for anyone spending significant time at their desk, whether for gaming, working, or creative pursuits, as a well-chosen table not only enhances your setup's aesthetics but also dramatically impacts comfort, productivity, and overall well-being by providing ergonomic support and efficient space management for all your gear. Number 5. SHW Mission 48-inch Home Office Computer Desk. This desk features a warm finish and a Mission-style frame. It blends seamlessly with your home interiors, adding a touch of sophistication to your personal workspace. Crafted with a powder-coated steel frame and a high-quality engineered wood top, it offers long-lasting support. You can rely on its stability for everyday use in your home office setting. Its 48-inch wide desktop provides ample room for your monitors, laptop, and documents. This makes it ideal for remote work, studying, or comfortable multitasking. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and labeled hardware. This enables smooth assembly, so you can get set up and working without delay. For your peace of mind, it is covered by a 5-year limited warranty. This ensures its long-term reliability and your satisfaction. What we like. This desk offers an elegant Mission-style design that adds sophistication to any home office. Its durable build ensures long-lasting support for daily tasks, while the 48-inch surface provides ample room for all your work essentials. If you're looking for a classic, sturdy, and spacious desk that blends seamlessly with your home decor, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Furinno 31.5 Small Folding Desk. This innovative desk features a smart folding design. You can set it up or fold it away in mere seconds, making it incredibly convenient for any space. Its space-saving nature frees up valuable room in your home. This flexible and collapsible solution is perfect for apartments, dorms, or any area where space is a premium. With a modern, concise look, it seamlessly blends into any decor. Its high-quality desktop and sturdy metal frame ensure durability and stability for all your tasks. When expanded, it offers ample workspace at 31.5 by 17.72 by 29.72 inches. This makes it ideal for small home offices, study corners, or any tight spot. When folded, it measures a slim 31.5 by 2.55 by 29.72 inches. You can easily tuck it behind a door, under a bed, or in any small corner, keeping your living area clutter-free. Setting it up is incredibly simple and fast. Clear instructions and all necessary tools are included, so you'll be ready to work in just minutes. What we like. This innovative desk features a smart folding design, allowing you to set it up or put it away in seconds. Its compact size makes it incredibly flexible, freeing up valuable space when not in use. If you have a small apartment or need a desk that can be easily stored away, this collapsible option is perfect for maximizing your living area. What people say. Number 3. Aquzee 47 Computer Desk with Shelves. Introducing the Aquzee Computer Desk, designed to transform your workspace. It offers substantial storage with 3 spacious shelves, keeping all your essentials organized and within reach. This desk is perfect for compact spaces, combining both workspace and storage in one elegant unit. Its clever design allows you to maximize your floor space, making it ideal for any room. Crafted from robust, FSC-certified engineered wood and a heavy-duty metal frame, this desk is incredibly durable. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and can support up to 500 pounds, ensuring long-term stability. This versatile table fits multiple purposes, whether you're working, studying, gaming, or crafting. Its large desktop provides ample room for all your devices and materials, adapting to your every need. Setting up your new workspace is quick and easy, taking most users about 20 minutes. Detailed instructions and video assistance ensure a smooth, stress-free installation process. What we like. This desk stands out with its impressive integrated storage, featuring 3 spacious shelves and an open hutch. It combines workspace and organization in one, keeping your essentials within easy reach and your area tidy. If you need a desk with serious storage capacity to keep your books, supplies, and decor organized, this sturdy option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Little Tree 70.8-inch Executive Office Desk. Discover a desk designed for maximum productivity. Its extra-long desktop provides ample room for all your essentials, keeping everything organized and within reach. You'll find plenty of space underneath for cabinets and comfortable legroom, ensuring a productive environment. This versatile desk effortlessly transforms to meet your demands. Whether you need a computer workstation, a writing table, or even a game or dining surface, it adapts beautifully. Its wide tabletop and modern aesthetic make it perfect for any task. Experience unwavering stability with its robust construction. Featuring a thickened tabletop and sturdy metal legs, it's designed for durability and longevity. Adjustable legs ensure it remains perfectly stable, even on uneven floors. Enhance your room with its sleek and sophisticated design. Elegant wood grains, smooth lines, and a minimalist silhouette make it a stunning focal point. It effortlessly blends with and elevates any decor. Forget the dread of furniture assembly. This desk comes with clear instructions, all necessary tools, and labeled parts for a quick and easy setup. Should you have any questions, assistance is readily available within 24 hours. What we like. Boasting an extra-long 70.8-inch desktop, this executive desk provides an expansive workspace for multiple monitors, projects, or even collaborative work. Its versatile design means it can serve as a computer desk, writing table, or even a large dining surface. If you require a truly massive and versatile desk that can handle any task or multiple users, this one offers unparalleled space. What people say. Number 1. Furinno Econ Multipurpose Home Office Computer Writing Desk. Introducing the Furinno Econ Multipurpose Home Office Computer Writing Desk. Its simple yet stylish design makes it a perfect fit for any room in your home or office. This versatile desk is designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing decor. It offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal, enhancing any environment. Crafted from engineered particle board and recycled PVC tubes, it boasts exceptional durability and stability. This desk is made with 95 to 100% recycled materials, ensuring a sustainable choice. It comes equipped with practical features to optimize your workspace. Enjoy a convenient slide-out keyboard drawer, dedicated CPU storage, and a non-woven drawer for your essentials. Designed to fit both your space and your budget, this desk offers great value. With dimensions of 39.4 w x 15.75 d x 34.1 h inches, it provides ample workspace without overwhelming your room. Some assembly is required, but clear instructions are provided for a straightforward setup. You'll have your new workspace ready in no time. What we like. This desk offers a simple yet functional design that fits well into any room without breaking the bank. It includes practical features like a slide-out keyboard drawer and dedicated CPU storage, enhancing its utility. If you're on a budget but still need a functional desk with essential features for a compact setup, this affordable and practical option is a great pick. What people say. No reviews found in a provided source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get the desired output. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.